Right now, you are looking at my desktop computer. So this is the monitor of my all-in-one desktop computer. Next to it, I have a second monitor. The second monitor is different. It's extended from the all-in-one, but this monitor is what is being shown on the smartboard. So this monitor is mirrored to the smartboard. In order to decide what is on which screen, if you minimize any window that's open and click on your background of your device, so I'm going to right click, you'll see display settings. For the display settings, it popped up on my other monitor, so I just moved it over, but you can see where your displays are. So right now, I have this here is my desktop, my all-in-one, that's number one. And then screen 2 and 3 are my smartboard and my second monitor. And so these two are identical. This one is separate. So that's why you kind of see them as two different things. And so if you go down below, you can choose in the multiple displays what you want, the different options. And so in my case, I have extend desktop to this display. And what that is showing me is that the all-in-one is one thing, the other two are mirrored to each other. Now on my device, I have one of the newer ones where there's enough video ports, and so we didn't need to use a splitter. If you have one that's a little bit older, you might have a splitter that is allowing you to have a second monitor in your smartboard. So you might have different ones the same, but when you're sitting down at your desk, you're going to have the desktop and the monitor being different from each other, the second monitor being different from the desktop, but then the smartboard might be mirrored with, in my case, 3, or it might be mirrored with 1, but you have both monitors right in front of you. And in order to change things up and to move things from one screen to the other, you just drag the window that you're using and you can move it to the other screen back and forth. And you can also choose whether you want this, like if this was on the right side, if I want to go to 2 and 3, I can't go to, in the same direction. I'd have, once I press apply, it determines if your mouse can go straight across or not to the next one. So mine is good. I have it all set up for the different monitors. It hopefully should be set up for you already, but if you do want to make any changes to them, that is how you would do that. So you'd right click and go to display settings.